How to enable extra dim screen mode on Android. This tutorial shows you how to turn it on so you can dim your screen further than the normal brightness limit. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap Accessibility. After that, tap Vision Enhancements. At this point, tap Extra Dim. From here, toggle it on at the top to enable the feature. Following this, drag the slider below it to adjust how dim you want your screen to get, which is especially useful for reading comfortably at night. After that, by default, the shortcut to toggle Extra Dim on and off is swiping up on the home bar with 2 fingers, so you can turn it on quickly without going back into settings every time. From here, Extra Dim is also available as a quick panel toggle. Swipe down from the top of your screen, and if you don't see it right away, tap the pencil icon to edit your quick settings and drag the Extra Dim tile into your active panel. Finally, once added, you can turn it on or off directly from there whenever your screen feels too bright, even at the lowest brightness setting. That's how you enable Extra Dim screen mode on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.